account. Pace with natural flow, you will get better result. Number 5. Avoid heavy products. As a new seller, do not sell bulky products. If you find it informative, then share it with others.